हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 12th का यानी कि सीनियर सेकेंडरी का इंग्लिश जिसका कोड है 302 उसका टीएमए का सॉल्यूशंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जिसका सेशंस अप्रैल और अक्टूबर 2025 होने वाला है। इस वीडियो में हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक का टीएमए डिस्कस करेंगे। हमारे अगले वीडियो में 5 और 6 का करेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का बी। इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, व्हाई डज द एल्डरली मैन बिलीव दैट द यंग क्लर्क वुड बी अ सुटेबल मैनेजर फॉर द होटल ही प्लान्स टू बिल्ड? इसका आंसर है द एल्डरली मैन बिलीव्ड द यंग क्लर्क वुड बी ए suitable manager for the hotel because of his kindness and helpfulness. On a stormy night, an elderly couple arrived at a small hotel in Philadelphia seeking shelter. The hotel clerk, despite the hotel being fully booked, offered them his own room to sleep in. He didn't think of his own comfort but focused on making the couple feel comfortable. The couple was touched by his kindness. These qualities made the elderly man believe that the young clerk would be perfect for managing a grand hotel. Later, the elderly man gave the clerk the opportunity to manage the Waldorf Astoria होटल। हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए देखते हैं। हाउ कैन वन स्ट्राइक अ बैलेंस बिटवीन मिटिगेटिंग द एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ टेलीविजन कंजप्शन एंड हार्नेसिंग इट्स पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स, incorporating measures to address potential drawbacks while optimizing the benefits? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मिटिगेटिंग द एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट्स। टू मिटिगेट टीवी's adverse effects, limit screen time. This helps focus on important tasks like reading, family time, and homework. Encourage children to play or do creative activities instead of watching harmful content. Parents should watch what children view and make sure it's educational and positive. Harnessing positive aspects. Television can be a great source of learning if wisely. If used wisely, there are many educational shows that can teach us about the world, history, science, and culture. Instead of watching unnecessary shows, we can choose programs that help us grow. TV can also bring us closer to the world by connecting us with international news, cultures, and ideas. Balancing television's drawbacks and benefits. To address the drawbacks of television while optimizing its benefits, it's important to limit screen time and choose good content, especially for children. Encouraging activities like reading or playing outside can help reduce too much TV time. Watching educational shows and using TV to learn about the world can enhance its positive effects. By balancing fun and learning and setting limits on viewing, we can enjoy TV without it affecting other parts of life. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का ए देखते हैं। What is the significance of the term child servitude and how does it contribute to the discussion about the recognition of girls' domestic labor as a form of चाइल्ड लेबर। इसका आंसर है चाइल्ड सर्विट्यूड। द टर्म चाइल्ड सर्विट्यूड refers to the concept of children being forced to work, often under harsh conditions, but it usually ignores the domestic work done by girls. This work, like taking care of siblings or fetching water, grazing cattle, collecting firewood, and other chores, it's essential for survival but isn't seen as labor because it's unpaid and lacks market value. These activities are viewed as nurturing tasks, not labor because they don't involve earning money. While factory work such as in match or fireworks production is recognized as harmful, girls' domestic work is often overlooked despite its negative impact on their development and well-being. It highlights how society ignores the dangerous domestic work done by girls while focusing on more visible forms of child labor, like factory work. This shows a failure to recognize all forms of child labor, particularly the invisible and undervalued work done by girls, especially in rural areas. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का बी देखते हैं. What are the similarities and differences between the various bird species mentioned, particularly regarding their behaviors, sizes and nesting habits? इसका आंसर देख लेते हैं. The bird species mentioned in the passage exhibit both similarities and differences in terms of behaviors, sizes and nesting habits. पहले इसका सिमिलरिटीज देख लेते हैं. वार्म ब्लडेड. All birds are warm-blooded animals, meaning their blood keeps a constant temperature regardless of the surrounding air temperature. All birds lay eggs, whether large or small. All birds lay eggs. Feathered creatures. Birds are the only animals covered with feathers. Nesting behavior. Most birds build nests through some species lay eggs directly on the ground. Differences between the various bird species. पहला है size. Hummingbirds are very tiny, about the size of a human thumb. Ostriches, on the other hand, are very large, standing as tall as pony. Behavior and abilities. Some birds, like migratory birds, can fly thousands of miles, while others, like penguins, cannot fly at all and are grounded. तीसरा है हमारा nesting habits. Some birds, such as weaver birds, build elaborate nests, whereas others, like certain ground-laying species, do not prepare nests at all. Fourth है flying abilities. Some birds, like certain migratory species, can fly thousands of miles. However, birds like penguins cannot fly at all and are adapted to life on the ground. Fifth, diet and food preferences. Vultures have very specific diets and will only eat dead animals. Crows are opportunistic eaters and will consume almost anything except metal. Relationship with humans. Some birds, like the domestic hen, thrive in the presence of humans and are domesticated. Others, like certain wild birds, avoid humans and may even become extinct when human presence is near. Seventh है chick development. Self-sufficient chicks. Some bird species like domestic hens have chicks that start moving and searching for food as soon as they are hatched. Dependent chicks. Parakeets and eagles' chicks are dependent on the nest and cannot leave it for several weeks. 8th number है interaction with humans. Dependent on humans, some birds like domestic chickens need human company. Avoid humans. Some birds avoid humans or become extinct when humans approach. हमारा चारों टीएमए का सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट हो गया है। इसके अगले वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट जो दोनों टीएमए बच गए हैं 5th और 6th उसको हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।